how to fix Spotify Shuffle not working. So if the shuffle feature is not working on your Spotify app, there could be various reasons for this. Now first of all, let me go ahead and then launch the Spotify application. Normally, whenever you're within a certain playlist, shuffle is already enabled by default. The only way you can turn off shuffle is if you have got premium. So only the Spotify premium users can have the option to turn off shuffle, but if it is not working for you, then there could be some issues in this case. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to simply open settings on our Android phone, and when we do that, we can go to apps and go to the option called app management. From the top, we will simply search for the Spotify app. When we do that, we will go to storage, where we can clear the cache files and we can clear the data. Mind you that clearing the data will log you out of your account and reset the app, so you have to log in again. Once you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Spotify and check if it has an update available, and if it does, then you want to make sure to simply update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.